Hey, welcome to Tutorial Assist. In this video, I will show you the art of only me on Facebook. Let's get into it. Just open your Facebook app and click at the three horizontal lines you see. Then scroll down. Here you will see an option called Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Under which you will see an option called Privacy Shortcuts. Click on it. Scroll down. Here will you see an option called Take a Privacy Checkup. Click on it. And click on Who can see what you share. Click on it. Click Continue. And select Only Me option for all of this. Select Only Me option for all of this. Click Next. Stories. For stories, click and you can choose custom option and hide all your stories from all of your friends. You can also hide your story from specific person. Just search for your friend name here and select that person. Click Next. Click Next. We will review another topic. Click back. Here you will see an option called See More Privacy Settings. Click on it. Scroll down. Under your activity option, you will see many options like Who can see your future posts. Click on it and select Only Me. You can also limit your post. Click on it. Limit past post. It will limit all your past posts. You can also see hide people, pages and list you follow from other persons. Click on it and choose Only Me option. You can also hide your stories from specific friends. Click on it and choose Custom and select friend name from whom you want to hide your stories. Click back. You can also limit friend requests. Click on it and select Friends or Friends. Click back. So in this way you can put your Facebook account on Only Me option. Hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, hit like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tutorial Assist. Thank you.